Hey guys, welcome back to CarnalDish. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Korean beef bibimbap, which is a rice bowl, and this is the HelloFresh recipe. It's very delicious. It's one of my favorite HelloFresh recipes of all time, and it's easy to recreate at home. Let's get started. Make sure you guys check out the link below so that you can get 6 free HelloFresh meals when you use my code CarnalDish60. So here's our bag of produce, and my boyfriend is taking all the produce out, and we're gonna have to clean that and get it all prepped up for the recipe. This is the recipe card, and it tells you what the meal is supposed to look like. It also tells you what comes in the bag, so you just wanna make sure everything is there. The recipe is very easy to follow. You don't need to be like an advanced cook to do this at all, and the food is going to come out amazing. So here I am just cooking the rice. I'm boiling some water, adding my rice, prepping my vegetables, slicing up my carrots, zucchini, mushrooms. Here's everything that we're going to be using, minus the beef. And there I'm doing a pickle of scallion whites, which actually turned out to be really delicious. And it also comes with this sweet Sriracha and soy Sesame Oil situation. It's like a really good sauce that you're gonna drizzle over the final product. So just gonna get that out the way. And now I'm going to cook my zucchini, and this is gonna be very quick. I'm seasoning mine with crushed red pepper, salt and pepper, and just sauteing that until it's lightly charred. You're gonna do the same thing with your carrots. To the carrots, I added a very tiny pinch of sugar just to pronounce their natural sweetness. And here I'm cooking my mushrooms. You wanna make sure that when you cook these mushrooms, you let them cook down till they get nice and caramelized. You don't really want soggy mushrooms, so I'm adding just a little bit of oil because I need a little bit more, salt and pepper. Make sure they're very well seasoned because they're like little tiny sponges. Just toss that around and then leave them alone. Like, this is gonna take anywhere from 5 to 8 minutes to get a nice caramelization on it. And the more caramelized they are, the better they taste. They taste like little pieces of bacon. I can't really describe it, but they're yummy. So once they get to this color, then you know that they're done. I love mushrooms so much. They are literally one of my favorite top 5 ingredients of all time. You're gonna see that a lot in some upcoming recipes. Now I'm sauteing the ginger and the garlic with some crushed red pepper flakes just for a little bit of added heat. And you're gonna add your ground beef and just break that up into really small pieces. And you wanna get the ground beef to be kind of crispy. So you're gonna cook it for about 6 to 7 minutes. I added a little bit of soy sauce per the instructions. And normally bibimbap is served with the fried egg, so I added that to my dish. And it was such a delicious meal. One of my favorites from HelloFresh. I think you guys are really going to enjoy it if you sign up for the program. Again, my link to get 6 free meals is down in the description box below. And I hope you enjoy it. Have a great day. HelloFresh might have did something. Trying to get everything on the board.
She make you wanna lick the plate. I know you love the way it tastes. Carnal dishes.